Hello, mic testing 1 2 3. Myself Shruti Singh. This is your friend Shruti Singh. Today we are going to talk about maladaptive daydreaming. It's some kind of disorder which is sort of very rare type. We don't know about it. Mostly in India, I think many people don't know about it, but they experience it. I searched a lot, but I couldn't get anything that would be related to maladaptive daydreaming. So I thought that I should make a video regarding this. So today we are going to talk something about maladaptive daydreaming. It was first discovered by Israeli scientist named Elie Sommer in 2002. My birth year, right? Yeah, that's cool. So it's sort of a very complex disorder because we can't find the symptom initially because we think that we are dreaming, but when that dreaming for 15 to 20 minutes goes straight along to about 6 to 7 hours, mainly when we are in high school or middle age group student, we face so much difficulty regarding this disorder is mainly to those persons who are kind of introvert. They are so shy, they feel so uncomfortable and unconfident to find friends, so they make their own world where they are the head. They create their imaginary world where they are heroes and they love to spend their time there. But this is also true that world isn't a real world. The real world is where we are living. It isn't the daydreaming world, but this is so much difficult for them to understand because mainly many like initial stages of daydreaming most of the time comes when we are at the age of 10 to 11. We become so shy at that moment. We are so shy, so it's an hard disorder and difficult to find, and consistent daydreaming like this may hit your or break your task which you make, especially when students wants to study but they then goes to their daydreaming world and couldn't able to concentrate in their studies, which is so bad for them. So yeah, that was all. And to control these daydreaming, I personally want to see. So to control this thing, one should make their task or goals so high, and you should be concentrated on that goal. We have to be very much serious about what we want to become, and we literally know that when we are going to daydreaming world, we know the difference between real and daydreaming, but then also we goes to that imaginary world because it reduces our stress. Mainly we form that world because we know that we are so stressful. We only know, our subconscious mind know that you are so stressed, you are so tensed. So to reduce that stress and tension, people make their own world, a daydreaming world, where they are their real heroes. So I think daydreaming can cured when you know the difference between what is real and what is imaginary world, which you know, but you don't want to come from there. So try your best to overcome it. If the problem is so intense you couldn't able to complete your daily task, feel so bad inside yourself, then please go to doctor, because it would be the best treatment. So yeah, take care yourself, dear maladaptive daydreamer. Please take care yourself and use this daydreaming technique which we have to in a side of creativity. When you use it differently, your problems, when you use your problem to different side, like in creative side, thinking other things, thinking kind of sort of short film, of course, making a YouTube video regarding any kind of picture you make, then it would be a beneficial thing and it would be a creative kind of things. Many great persons think sort of like, I know Elon Musk isn't a daydreamer, but it was very popular that when he was kid he just used to dream what he wanted to do, what space looked like. So he used his dreaming technique to that side. He wasn't a maladaptive daydreamer, but he used his dreaming side to that side. Many people are in initial stage. They can think about their goals, their career, and think about that dream and then pursue. So believe in yourself and believe your dream, and yeah, start whatever you want to start. So yeah, thank you so much. Namaste, goodbye, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. I am a new YouTuber, so hope you gonna support me. Subscribe the channel, share to every person who really wants to know about maladaptive daydreaming. And yeah, good luck. Believe yourself, believe in your dream. Your dream will come true. I love you so much, fam. Thank you so much.